English grammar quiz. Do you know how to use capital letters and apostrophes correctly? Test what you know with interactive exercises. You have 25 questions to answer. Let's get started. Julie's family lives in California. Smith is staying at his parents' house while they are on holiday. She speaks Italian really well. Are you going to be with your friends for Holi? It's time to go home now. My favorite holiday is Christmas. The president of Croatia works in Zagreb. In Uruguay, the summer begins in December. Her birthday party is on Wednesday. Universities are closed at Christmas. Scarlett Venn has lived on Church Street in Manchester for 10 years. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Some Canadians speak Spanish. Most Muslims fast during the day for Ramadan. She can't drive because she's broken her leg. Are you sure it's okay for me to ring you so early? My cat's favorite toy is a small red ball. His birthday is on March 25th. We enjoy American films. They always go out for Asian food on Sunday night. All women's accessories are on sale today. My best friend's apartment is really expensive. I don't know how he can afford it. Haven't you heard? She moved back to India. Don't worry, it's no problem. I don't need it until tomorrow. This is a picture of my parents' house. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.